Hey everyone! Welcome back for another Valentine's Day DIY. In today's video, I'm once again going to create a Valentine's Day related DIY. Once again, I found it on Pinterest and I found some few stuff that I want to put on it, and if it looks like what I have in my head, trust me, I want to keep that. I'm not going to tell you more about that. I'm going to let you discover this, and you guessed it, I don't want to fail in this DIY. I want this to be a full success. It looks super good. I think it's super cute. Of course, in this video it's for Valentine's Day, but I kind of feel like it's something you can put in your bedroom and it looks good. I'm not going to let you wait any longer. So for this amazing DIY, you need a wire. Keep in mind that it has to be strong enough to hold wooden pearls like this, and then it's up to you. It depends on what kind of decorations you want to add to this DIY. Personally, I've chosen this thread and those cute ribbons, as well as those decorations I found. And you shall need tools like this, one to cut this wire here and the other one to help you modify the shape of the wire more easily. With this you're good to go, so let's go. Okay, so first step, easy peasy. You take these and you put it on this. So let's go. Take another pearl and you put it here. Ta-da! Okay, so now I'm taking these, and what I want to do is to create a cute bow that will go here. Here it is. So I'm going to secure this with this needle, and I'm going to place this here on my DIY, and then I'm going to use this. The idea with this is to put it around the bow, like maybe 2 or 3 rounds, and then use this to attach the bow to the DIY. I'm going to place one of these on top of here. So let's do that. Okay, so I've opted for the red rose, as you can see here. And now I'm going to cut all the excess of ribbons and threads. Let's do this. that was it for today's video. I am so happy with how it turned out. Once again, I'm gonna keep this. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I highly recommend you to try this at home if you like that kind of romantic decorations. And as always, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, everything. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye!